Welcome to the first of two open source empow tutorials. This video as a whole aims to walk the user through installing both empow and Elasticsearch on top of Centos. This version of the tutorial walks you through the basics: installing OpenJDK version 8, Ruby version manager, Ruby 2.3, and Ruby gems. Once completed, you will have the basis to install Elasticsearch and empow open source enrichment engine. We're running on top of Centos 7 infrastructure server. Prior to this, we ran a yum update. Let's start by installing the Open Java. We're now going to install some of the basic packages, C++ compiler, some of the C libraries, as you can see in front of you. We're using the PGP tool to import the public and private keys so that we can download the RVM code. You can simply run the curl command first and it will show you which PGP command to run. But let's run this first. Now that's complete, let's actually download the code. Now let's source the rvm.sh file and let's install the actual Ruby 2.3. You can see that Ruby's down and installed. So let's go ahead and tell using RVM the system to use that version 2.3. Now that's set, let's actually, even though we had the gems installed, let's actually install the gem bundler. Let's now check on any gem updates and any gen system updates. And this does actually take some time. Now the gen system, as we said. That's pretty much complete. One last step I always like to do, you just do a bundle update. And let's go ahead and reboot the system. That concludes the basic installation. So thank you for watching.